I might not even make it to whatever they got. You know?
And don't.
Yeah.
And won't.
Yeah. Look, bro. You don't understand. When I'm in camp mode, see, a lot of motherfuckers don't know. When I'm in camp mode, it's camp time. I don't care about none of this shit. I don't care about no streaming shit, no none of that, because my mind on something bigger than all this shit. But right now, I'm going in between them. Okay, I want to give him better health. I want to get my body back in shape. And I'm going through emotions, and the more and more that I box, like, fuck it, man. I might as well go all the way with it. So it's like, I can't be out here fucking around after 10.
Period.
I'm in my bed at 10 p.m.
Period.
Hell no, nigga. I know it's Saturday tomorrow, but we still gotta work out in the morning. Nigga, I respect stream. Respect y'all to death, but at the end of the day, y'all gonna be the same motherfuckers laughing if a motherfucker lose. Especially if you lose to a motherfucker you ain't supposed to lose to, so. I can't do that. I can't do it.
Period.
And I can't condone it.
Period.
Because right now it's bedtime. I don't give a fuck how good the outfit looks or how good the bitch looks. And yeah, that's Dime in the body, and she look good. And she not a bitch, but she look amazing. And I would love to have fun and joke and play around with her tonight, but I'm on a mission, bro. And God gave me another chance to fulfill my dream and keep doing what I do and keep doing what I love, so I can't play with that.
Period.
I know another nigga won't get it. They might not got the same dreams. That's why you got people that's football stars, then you got some people that's basketball stars, soccer stars. But I understand that the only reason that any of these motherfuckers is talking to me is because of boxing. So I understand that. Without boxing, wouldn't nobody be. Y'all wouldn't be laughing at my jokes. Some of my jokes, I don't even know if they that funny. Y'all just laughing at an Adrian Bronner joke. Y'all just like me that much. They're just like, damn, man, I never thought he'd act like that. That's probably why y'all laughing. But I get it, but I can't fall victim to this shit.
Period. And don't. And won't.
Just ate a tree, bitch.